Good morning. I'm in my basement and I was like, you know what? I need to vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while. Dude, you gotta stop. Oh my god. Hank is just... Anyway, I need a break. I need a break. So I wanted to vlog. I have actually been filming, but I haven't uploaded anything because they are long videos and they're try-on videos. And they're taking me a while to edit and actually just film too. So that's my bad. This is what my studio looks like. A little overwhelming. I need to clean that up today. So I figured I'd vlog. I've already had my cup of coffee. Oh my god, I finally made another good cup of coffee. I love my coffee like super duper strong, but then you guys know I like creamer. I just want to be able to taste it. If it's watery, gross. This is just me right now. I'm pretty much just chilling, having my coffee. Again, I need to clean. I don't have much on my agenda. Honestly, we're just gonna see where today takes me. Yesterday, it was a pretty full day. Like, so many things got done. I fixed the fence in my backyard, my dad and I did. Cut down a bunch of trees. I got my lawn like thatched. I filmed 2 videos. I took a bunch of pictures. Like, it was a busy, hectic day. I did not go to the gym. So that was like the first day in a solid week that I haven't gone. So felt a little weird about it, but anyway. All right, I am now on to my second cup of coffee, and I'm just gonna finish off the pot. And again, I always like my almond creamer. All right, I am starving for some reason. I usually don't have breakfast, but I'm gonna have breakfast. So this is a sweet potato. I'm just gonna cut it in half, put that in the microwave. For me, this is honestly like the easiest way to make these. I also make them in the air fryer too. And I think we'll just go for 6 minutes. Okay, next up, I'm gonna be making 2 eggs. So I also decided to have an English muffin with some, like half of an avocado on there. So I'm gonna do salt and pepper and a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning. This shit comes out first. And I have 3 eggs total, an English muffin with half an avocado underneath, and then half of a sweet potato. Yeah, this one looks dried out. Okay, I have to shout out Target real quick here. You guys need to get this candle. This is the warm cider and cinnamon. You guys just need to get this brand. I'm not sure what it's called, but it literally just has like a key. And these are $10. These are massive candles, and they smell so good. Like, it's so vibrant. It's very similar to like Bath and Body Works, like how like insanely scented they are. And this one's only 10 bucks. Like, what? Okay, so it is currently 10:20 and I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup here. I'm just in a weird feel right now and like I'm sad. This sounds bad. I'm not gonna do like retail therapy, but I do need to get this stuff done, and I think it's hard for me because I'm always home. Like, I'm always home. I never leave. The one time I do leave the house is if I go grocery shopping or go to the gym, and that is like a nice little escape for me. So what I'm getting at is just like, this house doesn't really feel like me at all. Like, it's just very plain and kind of boring. So I want to kind of just like continue to decorate, I guess. Like, I just need like my space, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna shop around a little bit. Nothing crazy. I think I'm just gonna go to At Home. We do actually really need curtains. So I'm gonna have to search for curtains, curtain rods, all that good stuff. But just like small decorations. I do want to kind of decorate for Halloween as well on the outside of my house. I think that'd be very fun. When I was a kid, and even now, like my parents' house was always decked out. Like, we were the people. Our house was the house that everybody would go see in the winter and the Halloween and all like the holidays, because we had so many lights. But anyway, I like that, and that's fun to me, so I want to do that. So I'm just gonna quick get ready. Okay, makeup is done. I literally just used like concealer as my foundation, and then powders. I didn't fill my brows or anything. I just used like a brow gel, and then all I did was add a lash. So yeah, pretty natural, but the lash like picks it up a notch. That's what I love about lashes. So anyway, I'm gonna quick change and then I'm just gonna get out of here. Super simple, like razorback tank from Fashion Nova. And then these are like my fave Walmart jeans. These are men's and I think they're like $10. And they're amazing because they are long enough on me. So, I don't know why I'm just in such a funky mood. Okay, I got the iced chai latte with pumpkin cream on top, and it is amazing. All right, so I just decided to finish up and film my black bow swimsuit try-on for you guys. So I just did that. I'm in my little office space right now upstairs. I decided to make this vlog a little bit more interesting. I'm gonna do a house tour. Okay, so like I was saying, I've been meaning to do like a full house tour. I never had the chance to really do like an empty house tour because right away we just had a bunch of packages and stuff. So I figured I I would just give you guys like a little overview because I really haven't done any updates of the house. And I'm just gonna show you guys like little specific pockets of the house. I'm not too comfortable with showing like the entire layout of the house. I'm not sure if I will ever will, but anyway, you get the point. So right behind me, we have the front door. This actually does have like, I think this is like the original front door. Again, this is our first house and we did not want to build. Honestly, we couldn't afford building. Like we're 21. I know it's not that big of a deal, but I'm just glad we started off very small. So anyway, I think this is like the original door and it does actually have a peephole, which is nice. So you walk in and the first thing you're gonna see is this. Now, no, this was not the plan. This entire green wall was not there, obviously. So what had happened was I wanted to hang up shelves around this mirror, and I'm an independent woman. I can do stuff on my own, and I tried to hang up the shelf, and like that little plastic bit that you have to drill the hole or put the screw into got stuck in the wall, created a huge hole, and then I just had a panic attack. I'm like, this looks disgusting. So that night I just slapped that up there. I think it's kind of fun. I definitely think it's very different. I was honestly kind of worried it looked a little cheap. I like it. It's definitely very unique. So all of these are from Amazon. This mirror is, where did I get this? Marshall's, and it was only $39.99, and you're like, okay, that's not that cheap, but for a mirror this size, yes it is. Like that is so inexpensive. I was like, okay, I don't even need a mirror right now, but we're gonna grab it. And then I also got this bench from Overstock, and then just little random rugs here. And then we are now in my living room, and we are missing a couch or two. Actually just one couch. We have a couch ordered, and I was planning on putting it on this wall actually, because we're gonna bring the TV in the basement, and we just have the TV up here for now because we don't even have a couch in the basement. But I'm thinking the couch will go right there, and we'll figure out how to do this situation. But these two chairs are from, where are they from? Maybe Wayfair or Overstock. And then I just picked up a bunch of greenery. I thought this was just missing something, and it definitely is still missing something. But so I picked up all this greenery from, where did I go? I picked it up from Home Goods. And then we just have a big rug from Amazon here. And then down there would be the bedrooms. So I actually do want to show you guys the bathroom. So the one cool thing that I did in this bathroom, I know, was switch out, what do they call this? Switch out the shower head. So I did this. We just had a really simple, like plain, just one shower head right here. And I was like, you know what? I feel like the cheapest thing you can do, I'm not sure, like this is just my opinion, but is to switch out the shower head because it really gives it a different look. So we have this, and then we have the tiled shower and bathtub. And then this, I just put my razor on, but then you can also put this up there so you can have like dual action. But yeah, this is the bathroom, pretty small, but then we also do have a basement bathroom, and it's like the same size as this one. Okay, so this is probably like the only room I'm gonna show you guys because I absolutely hate my bedroom, and then the other room is for the dogs. So when you walk in, there is just a really simple dresser right there. I just needed a dresser to put all of my pants in and stuff because I don't have enough closet space. And then, like I said, I just finished filming my black bow haul, and I wasn't really planning on vlogging here or like even sitting down and filming, but it just so happened to do that. You guys could probably tell, but I ended up putting like this tack paper over this because it was this like dark gray, because I had initially planned on putting this in the basement in my studio area, but then I was like, you know what, I just kind of want to add to this room, and I thought this like tan marble matched this dresser a little bit more. So yeah. Okay, this is a sneak peek at the dog's room. There's Macy and there's Hank in his kennel. You guys were telling me like, why do you kennel your dog? They love going in the kennel. They're crate trained, and they literally have like a bed right there and a bed right by Macy, and they choose not to lay on them, so. And then this is a little overview of our kitchen. It's a small little galley kitchen, but it works perfectly for Brian and I, considering it is literally just 2 people here. So yeah, you guys will probably recognize this table because it is from our old apartment. So I'm not gonna say it matches that great, but it kind of does. We have black details everywhere, but these bar stools gotta go. We finally got a gas stove for Brian. Like that was his one thing that he wanted. It's really dirty, don't even mind it. I have dishes in the sink I have to do. Actually, Brian has to do them. It's your turn, Brian, so do them, thank you. White cabinets, this is exactly what I wanted for the inside. Just to kind of give you guys an overview of what we were looking for our first home, we wanted it to be close to our parents. I have a good relationship with my family, so does Brian, and we wanted to be close. We really like seeing each other a lot. That was on our list. I wanted a house that was updated, that was pretty much fully updated. I didn't want to have to worry about anything going on the inside because, as you guys know, my job, like I work from home, and in order for me to film and stuff, I do need it to be pretty quiet. So if we had workers in and out doing like miscellaneous jobs around the house, it'd be very hard for me to get work done, so then we'd kind of lose one of our income. So the thing with this house is it's pretty much all redone, and actually is all redone, but the outside is a little bit of a dumpster fire, and that is totally fine because Brian is a landscaper. We plan on redoing the whole backyard and stuff. We do have a pretty big patio. I believe it's like 200 square feet. That's the nice thing. However, it's a pretty old patio as well. So anyway, that's kind of just like the little go around of the house. I will show you one last part of it. Okay, so I wasn't really planning on showing the basement in this video because it is absolutely, utterly empty. We have nothing down here pretty much besides our old beanbag. If you guys have been with me since the apartment days, this is the beanbag, just a big eyesore. So this is just kind of an overview of our basement. It is finished. We do actually have pretty low ceilings here though, which is, you know, it is what it is. The ceilings are low on this side, like I can touch them, but on the other side of the basement, they're like normal height. I'm not entirely sure why, but anyway, that's besides the point because I really don't care. If I can stand up perfectly fine and have some headspace, we're all good. I'm honestly not entirely sure how we are going to decorate it, but I did already buy a big couch. Now I'm thinking the couch, it's like a U shape. I'm thinking it'll go like this, just U right here, and then have the TV mounted right there. That's not the TV, that is our very old TV, but the huge TV upstairs will be mounted right there. We'll just figure it out, but as you guys can kind of tell here, our colors are brown, like this coffee brown, very warm, very cozy, and my dad actually made me this like a year or two ago now, and I think it would go perfect down here. So we have the basement here. We have my like studio space to take pictures in and sometimes film. We have another bathroom there, and then we have a laundry room that goes all the way back here, and then right behind this wall is actually another room. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm just gonna be completely honest and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I've been having a rough day for some reason, and I've just been in such a weird mood. I think it'd just be best that I end the vlog. I'm not sure if I'm gonna really do anything else today. I know deep down that I should be getting to the gym, so I'm gonna try my best to get to the gym. But thank you so very much for watching today's vlog. Like, I seriously do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.